Okay, we have the flex line, as you can see, attached to the dryer. We put some pipe dope on that. There's an adapter thingy that goes on, and then the flex line goes on to its connector at the end right there. And then we have the other dope over here, not to be confused with this dope, going on this, which is a coupler that is going to go into the gas valve. And then that is going to go into a reducer, which will go into this thing.
Which goes into this
which
thing,
then goes into that, and it's a whole Rube Goldberg contraption by the time it's all said and done.
Okay, I'm assuming. Let's see if this actually.
Here we go.
Now I want to hold the bottom device because I don't want to hold the pipe no more.
I have the adjustable, which would fit better.
Oh yeah, I'm sorry.
Okay, pause here. Okay, there's the right tool, which is what I brought.
Here's the other right tool. And you're supposed to just... Oh.
Don't bugger the threads on that thing.
Well, that's why, you got the thing and the pull pot.
Get out of the way.
Definitely completely easy with the right tool. And I feel like it's not buggering. It's hitting the little piece in the middle. At Home Depot, he actually wanted to sell me a full thread. And I'm like, well, why would you want to do that? Because right now, it's catching the middle piece that's not threaded. And there's actually almost no tension on this at all. We're getting to the point of...
It's buggering the threads a little, so...
Sure.
It's probably plenty tight.
Okay.
Now we'll get the dope again. Here he is.
Hey, Boo-Boo!
Oh, what a mess. Look at all this crap. I don't know. And I said you're supposed to put a pipe going down and put a T on it with a cap. No. Do it this way. Do it the wrong way. This way you can't even pull the dryer out.
No, I'm not going to be able to pull the dryer out.
That's what I said. If you put the pipe lower...
I need to know if it works first and stop not wasting my money.
I understand that.
I'll come back and do this another time. I could rip...
You could say anything you want to say. It's not getting done. You know that.
Of course not. Thank you. Drive through and bring your fucking friends next time. Wow, I'm dope in your face. Dope in your face. That looks about right. Got a little dope on your face.
Well, this was a dopey video. That's some good stuff right there.
You put that on your ham sandwich?
That will not come out of any clothing or material. That's why it's a rag. It will not come out of anything. This stuff is tenacious.
So, am I going to assume that the plug is not going to turn?
Well, you'll find out. I think you'll end up turning a pipe, if anything else, when it gets too tight. Then it'll be like a compact Presario. Presario bought it.
Excuse me, no windows on my video before I end the window.
Oh, Susan's panties in a bunch.
Open the fucking... Open the door, open the window. I don't care.
Somebody's got to graduate from high school.
You mean he fucking won?
You ever hear of kinky boots? And the worst part is you're not even going to put the throwback in the video.
I don't even know what you're talking about.
He forgets what he says.
Read a book, go to hell. You said that during your pool video and you didn't put that in there.
Well, I put a lot of other things
right,
in.
sue you sue everybody.
You don't put everything in.
Right, that's what she said.
Been there, done that, got the t-shirt.
I can't even do this. Two schmucks and a gas line is what I was going to name this. But for selfish purposes, I won't get a lot of views because no one's going to go, oh, look at that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 9-part series on installing and dryer. So it's 2 schmucks and a gas line. Not to be confused with 3, 4 schmucks in a Buick, which was really 3. That's pretty tight. I'm okay with that.
I think so.
Like, we're getting to the point where now the dryer vents has to be completed, and then we'll bring the dryer in, and I'm going to have to hook it up over the dryer.
Yay!
Pause. Shh. Off video. Pause.
Well, there we have the fitting installed on the gas pipe. The brass looking one.
Which came with the dryer package.
The flex line thing.
Flex line thing. I just took it off because of this. The China. That's great. The reducer nut. The threaded nut. And actually the most important piece, which is the shutoff. Brought to you by China. And by the power invested in me by the state of Louisiana, we're going to be installing actual duct tape around
aluminum tape, yes.
Around this segment to prevent the air of hot and lint to exit and travel into the basement, which probably will be removed once a year due to the fact that this is the only way.
What are you talking about?
To clean. These plastic louvers, did you want to say how that's not a good idea?
We'll pull one of them out before we go any further, and I'll show how that ain't going to quite do the trick. But it'll be fine for initial setup and test, and then we will get the right items. So this is how you don't install aluminum tape around a dryer duct.
What are you talking about?
Because it takes too long.
Well, hit pause, motherfucker.
Business is slow, motherfucker.
Why my voice came out like that? And then, of course, the Bavaria beans don't burn on the kitchen. Shit don't burn on the grill. Now, what I like to do is get it all the way around, nicey, and then what do? Fold the flap, because when you need to remove it, you're not going to remember
where the thing is.
So any flap will do, and there it is. Look, whoop, and that's that.
The toot of the angry horn.
That is as tight can be. So we want to remove this.
Yes, that's tight as a toy gun. So that, you see, is a nice tight fit. So that's great. But take a look, ladies and gentlemen. Meant for dryers. This is meant for dry. Wait. In fact, I'll show here.
Right.
Dryer and bathroom venting. That's the item.
This is the old one that was up there.
Up there.
Because the cold air was coming back.
Up there. In the ceiling, way up in there. Right.
It has since been functified. And when you open it and close it, when you push it completely closed on the top, the angle, see the light coming in? It's supposed to be like this. So over the time, see the bow? So it sat probably a certain way. The hot cold air would stop it. I think I did it down, right. So the cold air would stop it. Oh, the dryer's on, would kick on, and the heat just, it's been through 4 years. So for 2 weeks, I could leave this.
Right, because now it's coming right off the dryer.
And we're actually going to turn the dryer
hot.
on hot now while we figure out how to push everything back. But I'm going to reinstall this and hopefully finish.
Right, we will find the correct items that will not melt, that will be made out of metal with rubber seals and good stuff like that.
With China.
Right, so anyway, we're going to end this part. And then we'll continue on with 47 more.